Hey guys, today I'm gonna see all of the brain what I unlocked. First is tongue so whole. Second is
Trallallero trallallà.
tralala.
Bombardiro crocodilo.
Third is bombardiro crocodilo and crocodilo bombardiro. Yeah, two names. Next is
Scimpanzini bananini. Wow.
Simpani bananas. Wah. Next is
Patapim.
patapim.
Udin din 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 dun. Madin din din dun.
Udin, mudin. After that is
Liri lila.
lira. After that I unlock this one. This is
Pippo Peppe.
this is the 3P tractor. Peppy Peter. This thing can fly finally. And this thing have a and it uses head. But you know one thing about this thing can one shot it. In one shot this patapem. Look. I click on it. Look, he just types instant. This thing, if I click one, I just shoot two shots there. Even with the patapem. Oof. Kill this one. Patapem. Bro, let me kill it. Why the hell? Bro, are you dumb? I am Brainwash City. I am your Brainwash City. Okay, I wanna send this guy. I'm your Brainwash City. This guy dumb. I can. Bro, get out! Oh, he's dumb. Bro, I can one-shot these things like that. Bro, what the hell is wrong? Man, this. How is this guy alive? I just auto attack and just punch this guy's ass. Yeah, I will kill you, man. I'm gonna kill you, bro. I'm gonna kill you. I just killed that guy. And why the hell is this guy alive now? Sorry, bro. Oof. Die, man. Damn. I did one shot. This boy, I like it. One shot. Level 8. Tongue. Escape tongue pack. Level 8. I can finally go to level 8. City 8. Return to downtown. Yeah, I'm gonna go back when did I in the return back there when I'm the secret. There any different animals? Is any different things come there? I'm gonna any different animals there? Is there any different? I can defeat this. Bro, these things are so harmless. How is this thing the top pet? Yeah. Now I know why the hell is this thing the top? I'm getting out. This is level 8. I'm gonna get a golden apple. That guy's like food. Now I'm gonna get a spider. I didn't. Why did I never get a spider. I'm a floating egg. I'm a floating egg. Tra-la-la, get out. Tra-la-la, Game, I'm good game. Did it spin up? The last guy literally ain't got the last guy over. The last guy Lucasd gas TORER have literally had 2D 1991M41S. This guy is so powerful. Okay, get a 400. Okay. What? Jeez. Okay. I want the. I keep getting the poop pet. The poopy pet. I keep. Poop. Hate that poop. I can smack things. Let me see. Just smack it like. I'm a smacker. Smacker. Bye bye. Let me start this thing. Just one start that. Get one start that. Just one start that. And two start that. And there's one shot that, and then there's one shot that, and let me just go to this thing to tell this thing to. That's this thing. Okay, this says smacker. What the hell is? Oh my god! I forgot. Boom! Take that! Bro, get out! My raccoon. Okay. Why can I go season? Snap. Bro, die. Bro, get out! My couple. That guy like, huh? Him and this guy one-shotting everything. Like, what hell is this guy? Who's weird, man? Get out, crocodilo, bombadillo! Bro, die. Get out, crocodilo! Get out, crocodilo! My orange! Get out. Go. Dad, why the hell do you want to do it? Good, but I can't like it. Yummy. Creepy chop. Brain rot. Let me see. Today I'm gonna try defeating this guy. All of the animals, all of the
Tung sahur.
This is tung sahur. One shotting.
Trallallero, trallalla.
And next with the tralala, Chalala, chalalo. Then, yep. Next with the
Bombardiro crocodilo.
crocodilo, bombardilo. And
Scimpanzini bananini. Wow, wow, wow.
with the sea walnut beautiful. I can destroy this thing now. Bro, yeah, take that. Bro, take that. Yeah, that was the same.
Patapim.
I can kill him the patapim. He's a big boy. He's a big guy. Like, I'm gonna try killing him. I can kill him with the patapim. I told you guys. Let me restart myself. Now, when we go and play as the
Odin din 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 dun. Madin din din dun.
the Odin din din din. Dun 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 dun. I'm a buff boy. I'm a buff man. Bro, that is mine! I will kill you, bro! Bro. But I can kill this. Wait, that guy. Yeah. Now, I can kill him with this guy too. Yeah. See, you're dead, bro. You're dead, man. And kill him with din 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 din. Let me restart myself. And I'm gonna go to lobby and I'm gonna equip the Lirali Lala. And it attacks so good. I can just smack him, bro. Smack. I smacked him 90 Babu Jindu. Babu Jakes. You smacked him for real, man. Yeah.
Pipo Pepe.
I already know. I can one-shot this guy, man. I like this guy. Get that, bro! This... Oh, you want to do this. Why the hell are you killing my boys? Wait, these are my boys. Oh, finally! No! You keep killing this guy. I'm gonna two-shot this. No! Nobody! Please! Okay, fine. Yeah, I know that one. For the next one, I need to keep eating. I need to train. This guy, I'm powerful in him. I can literally one shot things. Chalalo. Well, I can one shot them. I can one shot the chicken. Cat, sort of buffalo, and one sort everything I see. Eyebrow. I can one sort everything in it I see. Yeah, die there. Die, bro, die. And I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna eat some mangoes, so. And I'm done eating. I'm gonna make a third episode.